of the towel animals out this morning. Morning. All right, the morning breakfast buffet. They got fruit, all of your hot items, your eggs, pancakes, French toast, sausage, ham, eggs Benedict, bacon. And then over here is where you get your omelets made. They even have a beer station if you need beer. Now the beer doesn't open until 9 o'clock, but they do have a beer station here in the buffet. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Cozumel Day. So we are actually pulling into Cozumel right here as we speak. We've been up for a little bit already this morning. Already went down, or up actually, I'm sorry. We went up, had some breakfast, and now we are coming back down here to watch as we dock into Cozumel. Today we're going to be doing a stand-up paddleboard excursion, explore around the cruise port. I suspect we're going to have a very good day, a very fun day. Now Tiffany's really good at paddleboarding. She's done it multiple times, has no problems. I have a balance issue and I fall off a lot, so there might be a lot of video of me hitting in the water today. But hopefully I'll do better today. But let's get going and enjoy our day in Cozumel. Alright, so we got a Carnival ship coming in. Looks like we have a Norwegian ship docked over here, and as we go forward, we have Royal Caribbean and 2 Carnival cruise ships already docked. That should be the Dream and the Mardi Gras. So it looks like there's going to be 6 ships in port today with us. Alright, so we have Royal Caribbean's Jewel of the Seas is the Royal Caribbean ship that's in port here with us this morning. Alright, looks like we're going to be docking right here next to the Carnival Dream. That'll put the Carnival Mardi Gras on the other side of us. My cousin, Melissa, is currently on the Carnival Dream. I don't know if we'll actually run into him today here in the cruise port or not. With so many ships in, so many people in, you never know. But we'll see. Well, what do you guys know? I did find my cousin. She's right there.
We'll have a further 2 giveaways opening shortly, but if you'd like to get off a quick snacking hop right now, then you can help it.
Alright, we are off the cruise ship. Just show you this picture of these two giants sitting side by side. We got the Carnival Dream on one side, and of course our ship, the Carnival Vista. I'm gonna head up the cruise port here into Cozumel. You see the Mardi Gras here on the other side of us. So we gotta go up to the pharmacy before we come back. Because then we're gonna be number 8 right here.
Whatever, guys. You guys want to spend the day on the beach? We have space. We have break. Then bus, morning.
Quick walk through the Cozumel port here. Of course, they have all the shops. Three Amigos, Fat Tuesdays, place to get stuff to drink. Silver Emporium. There's a Cozumel duty-free shop right over here. Take a look at this one, baby. Let me try the pharmacy. Got lots of little shops. Start over here to the pharmacy.
Here we got it.
All right. Morning.
Got it. What you looking for here?
Oh, no jewelry.
Almost free.
Quick walk through the cruise port. Usual jewelry shops. Often go on a cruise and say, hope I get a pair of cowboy boots. Oh, yeah.
Something freebie.
coffee shop. You need to go get coffee?
No, I have a monster.
Oh, yeah. Straight ahead.
I see it.
I knew that would be the one to go to. All right, so there should be some iguanas in here.
Oh, that's a bird.
That's a bird, baby.
It was a big bird.
They could be on the other side too.
Yeah. So.
Oh, there he is. There he is, baby.
Yeah.
Big iguana sitting on the rock right there. Oh, and there's another one right over here.
Wasn't there turtles in here the last time?
Yeah, got the turtles down under the water. Oh. Some other turtles on this side.
There's 3 of them over there.
Yep, I see them. 3 more relaxing up there.
Nice place to get wasted. You should be here, nice and cool.